Deep East Texas saw some tornadic action. Brett, are we in the clear for the rest of the night?
I think we are, for the most part. I can't rule out maybe one more severe thunderstorm warning over Deep East Texas, but I think the tornado warnings are over. You know, we can look at radar, we can see the rain. Sometimes we can see the difference between snowflakes and raindrops. Something else we can also see is the difference between raindrops and something that might not be rain. In fact, when we take a look at our debris tracker, and we were doing this today, we could see what probably amounts to some sort of like light building material, tree limbs and or leaves flying in the air over Elysian Fields. That was at 3:46 this afternoon. The area was under a tornado warning at 4 o'clock. We can also see the way the winds are twisting within the thunderstorms. And here at Elysian Fields at 3:37, that's the radar signature that we were looking at just to the northwest of DeBary, close to Elysian Fields as that storm was going through. Right now, tornado watch in effect till 10 o'clock. We do have some flood warnings. Southern parts of Marion County, northern Panola County, where we've seen the heaviest rain so far. And the storm reports over the last 24 hours, just 2 reports here in East Texas, western Louisiana, and then many more out in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex earlier today. So our showers and thunderstorms are continuing now to spin away. The sky is clearing. The storm itself, the main portion of the storm, is spinning along Interstate 80 west of Omaha, where it is snowing. We'll watch the sky clear early this evening, then tomorrow morning additional showers and thunderstorms will return. Right now, 58 degrees. Winds have turned to the west, 3 miles an hour. A big point here to point out is the 55-degree dew point, so the air has turned drier behind the front, and as the front continues to settle in, we'll watch the cooler air continue to settle in. The true cold front is way out here between Lubbock and Tulsa. That will arrive tomorrow morning, and that will bring us a chance for some rain. So overnight tonight, while it's clear early, it'll cloud over later. We'll have a chance of rain, and temperatures will be in the mid to upper 50s. In fact, mild tonight in Lufkin, where it could be 60 degrees. Our 3-day forecast, tomorrow morning showers, Longview and Deep East Texas with highs in the lower 60s. Start to feel more of that front on Thursday. Certainly feel it Friday, mostly sunny, but highs in the low to mid 50s. All right, here's future skycast. About 45 minutes from now, those showers and thunderstorms begin to race out. This morning rain you'll deal with tomorrow morning on your way to school or work. That could stick with us in some parts of East Texas till about noon. By the afternoon, on the way home from work and school, we're sunny with a westerly wind and a high temperature in the low 60s. Thursday morning, back to the heavier winter coats with temperatures in the 30s. Thursday afternoon, it's sunny, but it's cool. We'll have a north wind with a high of just 57, and then watch what happens Friday morning. Some of us will dip down to below freezing north of Interstate 20, upper 30s over Deep East Texas, mid 30s around Tyler. Then clouds will roll in here Friday afternoon, setting us up for a chance of rain for a part of the day Saturday, and it might be cold enough still to have a couple of snowflakes mixed in, so that's something that we'll watch. All right, here's the Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. So a chance for morning rain tomorrow, then sunny and cooler and a high temperature of 62. That's about where we've been the last couple of days. Today we did manage to make it up to 72, so it'll be a little cooler feel to the air because the air will be drier and the winds will be out of the west. Frosty in the morning Thursday, 36, 57 Thursday afternoon. Friday is just a chilly day from a 34 in the morning with some frost to 52 in the afternoon, and Saturday is similar to that. Cool clouds hanging around, maybe a brief shower. I'm going to reevaluate the data and update that tonight at 10. Then Sunday morning, it's freezing down to 32 with some colder temperatures north of I-20 up close to I-30. It could be down into the 20s. 56 Sunday afternoon. Monday, another front brings rain, and that will bring cooler air back in and even colder air pushing in for the second half of the week as we get closer and closer to Christmas. We'll take a look at that 10-day forecast tonight.